Hello guys, this is Siv and today we will implement our next lesson program, that is user interface thread. So let's start how we can implement it. So for this you need to click on the new project, Qt visit application, choose, give your project name thread underscore UI underscore 9. This is our ninth program. So next, here we will take base class as a queue dialog. Next, finish. So first we will design a form to show the thread on the user interface. So click on the dialog.ui file and here we will type queue list widget in the widget section and drag this list widget to the design form. Okay guys, resize it according to your requirement as I'm resizing. Okay, now we will click on the queue dialogs button box. We will type, not click, queue dialog button box. Yes, drag to the design form. Okay, and here we will take reset and close button. So click on this queue dialog button box and scroll to the button box property and value window and go to the here standard buttons. Click on it. You will see this type of drop down and uncheck OK. I want close button, this close button. Okay, and uncheck cancel. Another button I want reset. Two button I want only. Okay guys, so that's okay for it. And now drag to give some width to the queue dialog button box. Okay, fantastic. Now right click on it, go to slot and select clicked abstract button and click OK. So you will come here. Okay, that's fine. Now click on the dialog.h file. Here we will add some header file. Okay guys, so header file we will add has include queue dialog button box, has include thread, queue thread. Okay, has include a queue mutex, okay, has include queue debug, and has include queue meta type. Okay, that's fine. Now we will make a class here. So class and name of the class text and number, text and number. Okay, under the public section, we will make constructor text and number, one parameterized constructor text and number, as we did in our last program. Same, pass the two parameter int and queue string. Okay, now int number and a q string text. Okay, remove the blank space. Okay, and give a semicolon. So under this dialog class we need to write some code here also. So first of all you need to make a slot here. So this is the private slot, we will make one public slot here. Okay, so we will write public slots. Okay, and slot name is void SoText. So text. Okay, here we will pass the object of the class text and number. So we will write text and number and its object 10. Okay, and under the private section we will write some variables in the dialog class, that is int and count, count, count. Okay, and qmutex class and its object mutex. Okay, here m will be capital. Now it's okay. So this class code is over. Now we will make some thread classes. So first we will make here class text thread. Okay, text thread, and inherit the qthread class. So public qthread. Okay, here t will be capital, and write q object q underscore object to use the signal and slot under this thread class. Okay, so q object is very important to write here, otherwise we will not able to use the signal and slot. Okay guys, wait a minute, wait a second, I need to plug my PC to the charging. Just bear with me. Okay, it's okay now. So let's continue. After q object macro we will write some public section code. Okay, so text thread, we will make a constructor of this class, parameterized constructor, and we will pass here constant q string, and reference of the text. Okay, and after this we will write a void run. Okay, and stop method is not needed here because we are not going to stop it, and other than this we will make a signal. Okay, and we will write a signal void write write text. Okay, and pass the class name text and number, and under the private section private we will write qstring it will be m underscore text, and bool m underscore stop. Okay, and that's it for this header file. Remove the blank spaces. Okay, some members we need not, according to requirement we will use. So now we will write the definitions. So click on this text and number constructor, refactor, add definition to dialog.cpp. Same for this parameterized constructor, refactor. Okay, it's okay. Now this slot SoText refactor, add definition in dialog.cpp. Just bear with me. And text thread refactor and void run refactor. Okay, signal doesn't needs a definition, it's always emits. So now we need to go to dialog.cpp file. Here we will write some piece of code to run our program. So first of all, in the dialog constructor we need to write some code like set window title. Okay, here we will write the title of our UI interface, user interface, that is threading demonstration. Okay, and after this we will call signal and slot. So write connect, and we will write UI button box, whatever button box we took, we can see here in the dialog.ui. This Q dialog button box, here we can see object name is button box. This button box we are taking. Okay, button box comma, and now write signal. Okay, and this keyword we will use, sorry, it will be in small letter, this comma slot. Okay, yes. So what is signal? Signal will be clicked whenever we will click on our button box. So we will have to define the signal clicked, and Q abstract button pointer. Perfect. Now slot will be our on button box clicked, that will be the slot. So on underscore button box clicked. Okay, so this slot will be called. Perfect. Here we need to add one more parenthesis to close the connect method. Okay, and here count will be 0. We will initialize it to 0. Okay, remove the blank spaces. Okay, so when slot will be called on a button clicked here, so we will write the piece of code for it. So that is if, and if will be UI button box. Okay, button box and button roll. Okay, so button roll, whatever button roll is coming in the parameter from here, button whatever we will press, it will come here button. And if this is equal to queue dialog button box, and this is reset roll, then this code will run UI list visit clear. Okay, here list visit name we are taking because we can see in our design form this list visit object name is list visit. This name we are taking. Okay, because under the properties there are several values. So here this list visit object name is list visit, so this name we will take in the user interface for action. Okay, so that's why we are taking it. So just go back, this is the name list visit and it will be clear. Okay, now if UI, same thing will be there, so we need to copy this whole code till here and paste it here. And here we took two button, reset and close. Okay, so for reset roll will work, and for close reject roll will work. Reject roll, it will work for close. Okay, so we will write queue app exit, application will be exit in this case. Okay, so this function is completed, this function body is completed. Now we will move on the SoText method. So we took SoText where? Here. Okay, SoText is here. We will write the piece of code for it. So q mutex locker sorry guys, q mutex locker, make the object locker and pass the reference of the mutex object, mutex class object, so ampersand mutex. Okay, now you will write UI, we need to show the some output to the UI of the thread. So for this we need to write a UI list visit and add item, items or item, we will take item not items. Okay, item. So q string, okay, it is not coming, q string. Okay, take brackets. Okay, okay, and there will be I think one bracket only and one for it. Okay, here under the q string, inside the q string parenthesis write string call and %1 %1 parenthesis %3 and colon %2 %2. Okay, and dot argument so at %1 it will become count plus plus it will come at %1 place. Okay, and dot argument at %2 place this tan dot text will come. Okay, and argument at %3 this tan dot number will come, tan dot number, this member will come of this class. Okay, now it's completed. Now we need to go text thread constructor. So text thread is here. We will write a definition for it. So it will be m underscore text equal to text, whatever text we will get by this constructor in the parameter from here. Okay, and other than this m underscore stop equal false. Okay, remove the blank spaces, and now stop is not needed, so we will not write anything for it because we didn't declare the function for it. So other than this text and number, we will come here and write a number equal to I and text equal to str. Okay, and here I will be come from here and qstring will come from here. Okay, now we will move to the run method of the text thread here, and it will be int m underscore count, and it will be equal to 0. Okay, we are declaring an initialize both, and we will write while loop and we will write condition for it. If m underscore stop is false, it will run. Okay, so under while loop we will write emit the signal, write text, and we will pass the constructor text and number, and under constructor we will pass m underscore count plus plus comma m underscore text. Okay, and we will write sleep to slow down the output of this program on the user interface, sleep 1. Okay, so guys, I think we have completed all the coding in the dialog.cpp. Now we need to move to main.cpp file. Here we will make the object of the thread class. Okay guys, So let's start. So first of all we will take the object of the text thread, and we'll make two object, foo and pass string foo, okay, comma bar and pass string bar, okay. It's completed. Now queue register meta type, we will call this method queue register meta type, as I discussed it with you earlier. To pass the object of the class from one thread to another thread, we need to register that class by this method. So we will write text and number. This class I want to pass, I want to use the object of this class to pass from one thread to another, and in the parenthesis as a string we will pass same name, otherwise it will give error. Okay, now it is registered. Now we can call the signal and slot. So queue object colon connect method, okay. Connect, here we will pass the reference of the object foo, and signal okay, comma reference of the window w, okay, w, it will be small, comma slot, okay, perfect. Here w we are passing, you can see dialog space w, this w we are passing reference of the window, okay. So here signal, we will call the signal write text, excellent, okay. And slot will be SoText, whatever slot we made, SoText, text and number, excellent. Same we will do for the bar object of the text thread class, okay. We need to only change one thing, this we will make bar. Now it will work, okay. Now we will start the thread. We will write foo dot start, okay, and bar dot start, okay. So I think we have completed all the code, and it will work. If there is no error, then it will work fine. So let's check. We need to first build, save all, okay. It is showing some error, let me check where this error, okay, we forgot here semicolon, put semicolon, okay. Now clean and build and run. It is building, just wait, okay. One more error, was not declared in the scope, okay. It is a mutex, not mutex 1, okay. Clean, save all, build and run. Just wait, it is building and running. Okay guys, we can see our thread is running in the UI level. We can see it is continuously running, and if we will click on the reset button, it will start again from where it was reset. Okay, you can see it is going to 47, 48. I'm resetting it. 53, 55. I'm again reset it. 61, 63. Reset again. 69. So continuous, we can see it is continuously running from where we are resetting. From onwards on that, it start again. So like this we will get output, and here we can see whatever we wrote and pass the parameter, it is coming on the UI level. So like that you can do lots of experiment. You can play around the code and find new results. So guys, I think you got the idea how you can show your thread on the user interface. And one more thing, if I will close OK, then it will stop, thread will stop running and window will be closed. I'm showing you close like this. Okay, like this you will get output. So again you can start, you will get again from 0, 1, 2, 3, like that you will get result. So guys, I hope you got the idea. See you in next lecture. Thank you so much. Bye bye.